After that, I moved to my different project where I started with Talend. So the project is Walgreens. If you know about, if you heard about
What
Walgreens,
is your total years of experience into Talend?
total years of experience in Talend is for 2 years and around three months.
Can you just tell me about what are the major achievements you have done so far using this Talend ETL tool?
I have built several jobs for load and extract and publishing to Kafka or publishing it to JMS queues, and I have gone through the jobs which are behind those customized component. Actually, we have developed some customized component for our project related work. So I have seen the basic things which are behind the actual coding of those components. So these are all what I have done in.
So you have developed the component itself in Talend?
No. There is an on-site team for developing the component, customized component according to the project needs. But I have seen what actually is behind those components. I have debugged those components.
How do you debug the component code?
Yeah.
May I know how do you debug the component level code?
I just download those, I just import those jobs in my Talend and gone through the basic jobs which are behind those components, working on those components, what exactly is going through, how they are performing in the task which is required by them. As I can give you example of there is a component called load context in Talend, right? So load context is a component which is provided by Talend itself. But for our project, we have developed a customized component for load context also. So what exactly is doing behind this is it is extracting the context fields from the database and from the context file through a Talend job, through Excel file, TXL file component and from database, and putting those components in a hash input so that the job can use those components. This is the basic job which is going behind this WA load context which we have developed. So I have gone through those components which are built by the on-site team.
Okay. So what is ELT operation?
ELT, extract load transform.
Yes.
Yeah. In this, first we extract the whatever the data need to be extracted from the database and then load it to the job. Then the transformation work is done. And in ETL, what we do is extract, then transform what the transformation need to be done through the job, and then load it to database. So the major difference is of performance. So what ETL and ELT difference in the basic difference between those two is the performance factor. How fast and how slow it depends.
So which one is faster?
Sorry?
May I know which one is faster?
Actually, if you do ELT, then the size of the database you require more. Then first you load the whole data, then you perform the transformation logic, and in ETL you need to transform the data according to your need within the job. So ETL is faster, but ELT is faster, but it requires more of the data size, more of the database size, and more memory.
Okay. And do you use TMAP in your project?
Yeah, TMAP I have used.
So what are the major uses of this TMAP component?
With TMAP you can perform all the joins. You can access multiple input files by this. You can have different match model like unique match and first map, first join. This all you can have. And you can also build expression in this. Through that expression window, you can have multiple output through TMAP, and you can also give customized Java code in that expression so that you can have a different transformation over there.
Okay. So what is the use of project references in Talend?
Sorry?
Project references.
Project references. Project references, I am not getting you what you are exactly asking.
So there is
about.
a feature in Talend, right? Called project references. So what is the project reference in Talend?
I have no idea.
Okay.
Project
So okay, fine. And what is the global variable?
Yeah, okay. Global variable. Suppose you have to use. I can give you an example of that. Suppose you have to perform a particular suppose you have a file, okay? That file is used to be used in the file you need to be used in your job, okay? So you can use a global variable to get that file. You have order of. Okay, I give you. Suppose you have five files in a directory, okay? With job timestamp. You have a timestamp of job okay. So what you do is you can have that. You can put the context in a global map so that you can access those files accordingly by timestamp or you can add Java code in global map so that you can use it in your job globally. You don't need to write it again and again. You can call that global map variable in your job and you can use it.
So you are currently working for AXA project?
No, I am currently working for Walgreens.
Okay, so AXA is your previous project?
Yeah, AXA is my first project.
So what is the business of this AXA? It's an insurance company, right?
Yeah, AXA is an insurance company.
Okay, US-based insurance company. So what is their business? What are the key things which they have?
They give life insurance and medical insurance. So I'm in a team of health claim portal. So in that portal, it is like the people over there claim their insurance and get medicine from the hospitals and so. And what we need to do is to maintain a track of records, what the facilities they have used and how much amount they have claimed for those. So this is my work in that team.
Okay. Do you know Unix shell scripting?
Shell scripting, I don't know very much.
Okay. So what are the basic Unix commands which you know?
Basic Unix command of running the job and all that. I only use Unix to run the job and checking those directories where the files need to be generated or renaming the file, cp command, move, mv, that all I used. Not much of shell scripting I have done.
Okay. So how do you rate yourself in SQL out of 10?
SQL, I can go with 7.
Okay. What is CTE?
CTE?
Yes.
CTE.
Okay, fine.
CTE.
So what are the different SCDs available?
Slowly changing dimension.
Yes.
Right. 1NF, 2NF, yeah. Okay.
Sorry, how many?
1NF, 2NF, BCNF, you are asking about them, na? Slowly changing. No, those are okay. Those are normal forms. STDs, there are.
Okay. Fine, Manvendra. And do you use TAC also in your project?
Yeah, TAC I have used.
What do you do using that?
For TAC, we have to trigger our build in that and schedule the job for. After that, we commit the job and deploy it to the master branch, and For the scheduling purpose, there is a dedicated team at on-site which is looking to the scheduling of the job. That we have used for the components and all.
Okay, fine. So do you have any questions for me, Manvendra?
I just want to know about what kind of project do you have at your talent, your own organization for talent?
For talent, we actually have so many projects. It's not like there is only one project. If there is only one project and which you are going to be assigned, I can explain you about that why. But there are multiple things. So,
okay.
But whatever the business areas which we have is actually related to the business intelligence, and as well as the projects which we have majorly are actually big data projects.
Okay, big data, talent big data. Okay.
Okay. Any other questions?
No, that's it.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Thank you.